Hi guys! Welcome back to MR Vlogs. So I decided to vlog while we are in quarantine. Well, it's not really quarantine. Parang basically social distancing. So the government told us dito sa Canada to stay home as much as possible, especially if wala naman work and school are closed. The only people working right now are the essential workers, like people who work at the hospital. The only open jobs right now are like the frontliners, which are the hospitals, some airport employees, food industries, and the grocery stores, some banks, I guess. This is my third day quarantine or self-isolate because nung last Friday, March 28 by 27, that was the last day we took orders for pamerienda. And today is the 31st. It's Monday. Now that we are home and we have time, I pray na mag-spend naman tayo ng time with the Lord and spend time praying for our nation, for our families and our loved ones, our friends, for our health, for the frontliners and our government, na magka-wisdom sila, nabigyan sila ng wisdom ni Lord kung paano i-deal yung pandemic na ito. And we claim the end of this COVID-19 in Jesus' mighty name. There is power in His blood. There is power in Jesus' mighty name. For the 3 days, wala pa naman ako nagagawa. Saturday, I was just resting because I got really tired for the like almost 2 weeks of cooking for pamerienda orders. And then Sunday, yesterday, we did an online Sunday worship service. So, kung sino man po yung nag-watch neto, I hope you can join us. We use the Zoom app. Just message my cousin Joanna, if you know her, Joanna Reyes, if you want to join us so she could give you the code. I think I'll take a day-to-day vlog of what's happening inside our home. Hopefully we will do some workout, some cleaning, and all that stuff. Para naman maging productive tayo. Thank you guys for watching. It's Wednesday in Canada. All I did was cook and eat. And yeah, that's our humble abode. So what I've done, my closet was fix the undies and my accessories. Tomorrow I'll be doing the clothes, the closet part. But now this is what I'm doing.
I can use that for my streaming.
Fixing my closet. So these two are my clothes. This one is to sell. This is to donate. This is to throw.
My fingers actually hurt, dude, from that thing.
And then that stuff is just some random stuff. I'm throwing my expensive makeup. Bye. This one's MAC. What's this? Estee Lauder. The first thing I did was to segregate my makeup, the stuff that I still wanted and that were not expired. So I threw a lot of expired makeups. And the next thing I would be doing, segregating the miscellaneous stuff like chargers, notebooks, and ball pens.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be featuring ourselves on this video. Subscribe.
To Ella dong. Here are the miscellaneous stuff that I was talking about. So I see some chargers, earphones, stuff that weren't opened yet, notebooks, notepads, and pens. Bathing suit. Next, I'll be doing my bathing suits, so I just fold them in half and put them in the basket that I have there. It's the brown color one. I just folded the one-piece bathing suits in half and then placed them in the bin like so. I did the bikini bottoms next, and then I just placed the bikini tops on top of those. So next, I folded my workout clothes. What I did first was fold the leggings in half, and then another half, and then another half. If it was shorts, it would only be, I would fold them twice, and the shirts as well. Hi everyone! So yun, pumayat na ako dahil sa ginawa ko. It's really messy right now. What I did was fold my winter clothes and then i-store ko na sila doon. So far, ito yung aking. That's the current situation. I took out my spring and summer clothes. That's that. And so I'm gonna fold them and hang some of them. And maybe replace those, take out some stuff for to sell, to throw, and to donate. I'm gonna put it in this space. So those are just the gowns that I might need in the future, but they're at the very back, so no one can really see them. Next thing I did was to hang my dresses, gowns, and skirts, pants, rompers, and jumpsuits, and you're gonna see that in the next part. So that is the update. for this part, I was just folding my regular clothes that will go on top of the closet, like my jeans, denim shorts, shirts, pajamas, and stuff like that. I placed the baskets underneath already, so those are the workout clothes, the bathing suits, and miscellaneous stuff that you're gonna see. At the back, I have some of my books and my bags. So these are the clothes that I folded: pambahay, pang-inner, panlabas, shorts and jeans, and pajamas, and I have some of my hats on the corner. Okay guys, dugit na. After 24 hours. Anyways, so I'm gonna try to fix this. It's the donate, throw, or sell. Okay everyone, so I've narrowed it down. That's my new closet now. So this file is my to sell. And then this huge file is to donate, along with that one outside. That one. And then that one is to throw. So this is the current situation outside. Wala pong tao sa labas. Yun, there's one guy. There is another guy. And another girl. Social distancing. And it's super quiet, you guys. It's super quiet. Wala talagang tao. So we're here at No Frills, and we found 2 donation box.
Lalagay ka na?
Go, brother! I hope it fits.
Clothing lang, oh.
That's just clothes. That one's
About
just
the bags?
clothes. Okay lang yan? Oh, it fits. Oh.
Hobby!
Yes, thanks, bro. So we're done with the donations, and I encourage you guys to do that as well. That's what my brother told me. If you have a lot of things that you don't need, clothes, just put it in a donation bin, or like Salvation Army, Value Village. Guys, we have this cantaloupe juicery that my mom made. Look at that. It has brown sugar and water and cantaloupe.
Sa mga pamilyang isang kahit sa lugar.
Bakit pa yan pati yan nakabili? Sabon. Sabon natin, Mike. Pwede rin din.
Ano sabi mo ko?
Dalawang oras ang nakaraan paakyat sa lugar kung saan turista ang buhayan. Walang ibang alam na trabaho si Tatay Jay sa video. Kaya kaano ng
So we have this cantaloupe juice or melon juice. Then in the oven we have banana bread. Hey guys, so now I put some eye patches. So I have maybe not eye bags, but I have some dark circles underneath. I already fixed my bed. I also fixed my closet, my drawers. Tomorrow I'm gonna fix my makeup collection. That's it. Well, they can't hear you, but hey.